Hello kids, good morning to all. Welcome to the English class. In the last video, I have told you an interesting story about a mongoose named Ricky. He was a very brave mongoose. He lived with the family as their pet. He loved to play in their garden. One day, while playing, he heard a sorrowful voice of a tailor bird Darcy and his wife. They were crying bitterly because Nag had eaten their baby. He was very sad and asked about the Nag. Just then, a big black cobra came out from the thick grass. The main objective of today's class is to complete the reading of lesson Rikki Tikki Tavi along with the meanings of difficult words and cross questions. Before starting the reading, let me discuss some new words with you. First word is cobra. C-O-B-R-A. Cobra means a poisonous snake. Next word is business. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. Business means work. Next word is fledglings. F-L-E-D-G-L-I-N-G-S. Fledglings mean bird babies. Now next word is wicked. W-I-C-K-E-D. Wicked means bad. Let's continue with the reading. Open your forward English book on page number 38. Who asked for Nag? He shouted. Kids, write down the meaning of shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted means to speak loudly. S-P-E-A-K. Speak loudly. L-O-U-D-L-Y. Shouted means to speak loudly. I am Nag. Look at me and be afraid. Ricky was taken aback. Kids, write down the meaning. Shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. He was scared for a minute, but it is impossible for a mongoose to stay afraid. He had never seen a huge cobra like this before. But he knew that a grown mongoose business in life was to fight and eat snakes. Kids, write down the meaning of cobra. A poisonous snake. A poisonous snake. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Poisonous snake. S-N-A-K-E. Kids, write down the meaning of business. Business means work. W-O-R-K. Nag knew this too. And in his heart, he was afraid too. Now, I will explain the following lines. Ricky was very afraid for a minute as he had never seen a big snake like this before. He also knew that a mongoose work in life was to fight and eat snakes. Nag was also afraid too. Now it's time to discuss cross questions. First question is, why was Ricky taken aback? Answer is, Ricky was taken aback as he had never seen a huge cobra like this before. Next question is, what was the business of a grown-up mongoose in life? Answer is, the business of a grown-up mongoose in life was to fight and eat snakes. Now let's read the next lines. Well, said Ricky. Do you think it's fair to eat fledglings out of a nest? Kids, write down the meaning of fledglings. F-L-E-D-G-L-I-N-G-S. Fledglings means bird babies. B-I-R-D-B-A-B-I-E-S. Bird babies. Nag knew that mongoose in the garden meant death for him and his family. So he wanted to get Ricky off his guard. Write down the meaning. Catch him when he would not be attentive. Catch him when he would not be attentive. ATTENTIVE. Catch him when he would not be attentive. He dropped his head a little, meaning to attack. Now I will explain you the following lines. Ricky asked Nag, "Is it good to eat the babies of a bird out of a nest?" Nag also wanted Ricky to leave the garden as he knew that Ricky could cause death to him. So he wanted to catch him when he would not be attentive. It's time to discuss cross questions. Question is, why did Nag want Ricky to leave the garden? Answer is, Nag wanted Ricky to leave the garden as he knew that Ricky could cause death to him. Let's read the next lines. You eat eggs, he said. Why should I not eat birds? Look behind you, warned Darcy. Ricky jumped up high in the air and just under him whizzed by the head of Nagina, Nag's wicked wife. Kids, write down the meaning of whizzed. To move quickly. TOMOVE, move quickly. To move quickly. Wicked, WICKED, bad, BAD. She had crept behind him as he was talking to kill him. Ricky had heard her hiss and had jumped. As he came down, he bit her slightly, leaving her angry. Now I will explain you the following lines. Nag asked Ricky if he could eat eggs, why could he not eat birds? He tried to keep him busy so that his wife Nagina could attack him from behind. But Darcy warned him. Ricky saved his life by jumping up high in the air. As he came down, he also bit her slightly. Now it's time to discuss cross questions. First question is, to whom did Darcy warn? Answer is, Darcy warned Ricky in the garden. Question is, who was Nagina? Answer is, Nagina was Nag's wicked wife. Next question is, how did Ricky save his life? Answer is, Ricky saved his life by jumping up high in the air. Now kids, let's read the next lines. Wicked Darcy, said Nag, lashing up at the nest, but it was out of his reach. Kids, write down the meaning of lashing. LASHING. Lashing means attacking. ATTACKING. Lashing means attacking. Ricky felt his eyes growing red and hot, a sign that Mongoose was very angry, and he looked all around him. But Nag and Nagina had disappeared into the grass. Kids, write down the meaning of disappeared. DISAPPEARED. Disappeared means to go out of sight. SIGHT. To go out of sight. When a snake misses its stalk, it never gives any sign of what it means to do next. Kids, write down the meaning of stalk. Hit. HIT. Ricky sat down to think. It was a serious matter. Now I will explain you the following lines. Nag also attacked at the nest of Darcy. Ricky was very angry now and he looked all around him. But Nag and Nagina disappeared into the thick grass. Ricky kept on thinking that they would surely come back and it was a serious matter. Now it's time to discuss cross question. Where did Nag and Nagina disappear? Answer is Nag and Nagina disappeared into the grass. Kids, I hope that lesson Rikki Tikki Tavi is clear to you now. Read this lesson again and revise word meanings also. Thank you.